Okay, you are welcome. As we continue again, we are looking at non-profit, we are looking at non-potent structure. What do I mean by that? You see, this is a very popular question in the smart money concept community. What happens to old or mitigated structure whose POIs are not mitigated before new structure forms? Okay, like there are some structures. The first structure, after break of structure, you are anticipating price to tap into that other block, inducement, all of that, but price never did. Price just took inducement, then went for another break of structure, make a new structure above that break of structure that just happened. The question that worries most smart money concept trader is, when is any market structure no longer valid or does not have any potential or good probability, good opportunity for good, which does not have any potential for good opportunities to trade? It is simple. How? For example, in a bullish trend, after price take inducement, then break of structure, then inducement again. Let's call this structure 1. All right, then as price take out the new inducement of the structure 1, and then break of structure happen again with another inducement, this then will be confirmed as structure 2. Now, in this type of scenarios, every POI in structure 1 is no longer having the potential of good opportunities to trade. So all focus now will be on the new structure 2 and so forth. So when new structure forms, the old one will be relegated. Okay, this is very, very important. When new structure forms, the old structure and its POIs will be relegated. Although this is not a rule, although price may cause a change of character in the new structure 2 and head towards the structure 1 POI, but this price action will be trading in accordance with the new structure. I will explain all of this in our pictorial representation. Okay, so looking at this diagram over here, we know this market is bullish, inducement, break of structure. What do we expect price to do here? Price is making another pullback. This is inducement. Then in this scenario, price took out inducement. After price took out the inducement, new structure is formed. Now the question is, what now happens to this structure 1, this circled structure, the structure 1 extreme order block that was not tapped, because now structure 2 has formed by giving its own extreme order block the low point. Then we know already when the inducement is taken, that is when a high or a low is confirmed. In this situation, a high will be confirmed when this pullback as inducement have been taken. Then we have a confirmed high. We are anticipating price to do what? To continue to buy, or price can continue to sell to this PO high, and then we'll continue to buy with the trend. Or if there's a change of character, price can take out this inducement, come to this extreme order block, also take it out and close below it. When this close below it, then here will not be our C, which is our change of character. When change of character happens, then what now happens to this structure 1 POI? Price can come here, react, give some reaction, probably take out this inducement and continue to sell, because many people will still be anticipating this structure 1 POI, which is the other block to still hold. But price may not do such. Price may just come, take out this pullback, now serve as inducement after our change of character. Price take it, and then price continue to do what? To sell. While many people that are buying here, price will just come and take them out. Okay, so even because this is nothing is 100% in trading, it's all about probability, but we are trying to do it in a way that it will be systemic and mechanical, so that you can easily spot it. You can position yourself in the place where there is high probability of what you target to be happening. Okay, so when this type of structure happens, that the structure 1 POIs was not tapped. Price only took out the inducement and then form a new structure. This new structure is going to be our major focus, which is called structure 2. Then what happens next if price now took out this inducement? Then new structure forms without price tapping on the extreme order block. This structure 2 will no longer focus on that. The new structure, structure 3, that's what we'll focus on. In later in the future, price may come back and make some reactions and make new price action, like new type of structure with all this unmitigated order block. But when we get to the future with that, we can also make our decision from where price will be coming from with the new structure that price will be forming. Okay, so but as we are trading with the present, this is the present structure. This is what we trade with. We will have to leave everything here behind. Probably if price comes to it and react accordingly, we can make our decision as per what price will do here. If price comes to this down point, if price comes to this structure 2 point of entry and price sweep it, if price swept it last with a wick not close below it, this is not a change of character, it's just liquidity sweep, and another sweeping happens and price probably now tap on this extreme order block, and then we can try to make a decision accordingly. Probably we are buying, waiting for inducement, and then price come to this new order block and we'll continue to buy. But these are some advanced market structure tips that you don't have to you don't have to cram it. You don't have to learn much about them, but you will know it as you get more familiarized with this type of market structure in smart money concept. Okay, so I hope you understand this type of structure. All focus will be in the present market structure that have been formed. The ones that was formed and the POI was not mitigated, price may come back to those places later in the future. When we get there, we'll know what to do. All right, thank you very much.